Welcome to pre-designstudio, the easy vector drawing program for machine embroidery and long arm quilting. This is the main window with title bar, menu bar and general toolbar. Here are the groups of toolbar buttons. Common Windows buttons for file open, save, cut, copy, paste, undo and redo. These are the tools to select and edit points, reshape your pattern, to add points and split lines. And these are the drawing tools: line, square, circle and arc, plus the most used curve tool and the freehand sketch tool. Here the easy rotate and mirror tools. And these are the fun tools: magic square, repeat, magic circle, spiral and border maker. And these are the buttons to show or hide the grid, snap to grid, show or hide guidelines, points, notes and show, fade or hide the background image. When you hold a mouse over a button, a tooltip appears with the name and function of the button. To activate the tool, just click on it. Let's take the curve tool and draw a curve shape. Click from point to point and use as few points as possible. You can see where the line curves. Right-click to finish. Then take the Select tool and click on a point to start editing and reshaping where needed. So just click on a point and move it to perfect aligns. Double-click to select the entire object. Let me make a duplicate by pressing Ctrl+D on my keyboard. Move the selection aside and click on the mirror button. Now let's move it in place. The 2 points are on top of each other, so it is connected. Let's play a bit more. Pressing Ctrl+A will select all. You can right-click and choose Rotate or use the Change menu for that. With one click I can rotate 45 degrees. And one click here will flip the selection. This will put it in the perfect position for the magic square. You can move the slider bars to change the distance between the shapes. Then click on OK. It's nice but not ready yet. The 4 objects still have to be connected. Just move the start and end points on top of each other. And then they are connected. Here at the bottom I will leave this part open and cross the lines for now, for the next step. I'll just keep playing some more. Select all and click on the magic circle button. Choose the number of objects and adjust the spacing. Then click on OK. Pressing Ctrl+Y will center the design on the design page. Pressing the spacebar will fit the view, and you can use the scroll wheel to zoom in. To deselect, click somewhere outside the selection box. Zoom in by scrolling. To finish this pattern, I have to connect the crossing lines in the center. Be sure that you see the points, and snap to grid is very handy for that. Move a point and let it snap to its new position. Just release the mouse and it will snap. That way they are all perfectly in place. Everything is now connected. It's one continuous path that makes this a nice quilt pattern. It's much too big, so right-click and choose Size, or use the Change menu for that. Let's make this an 8-inch pattern and click on OK. It's ready now. Hide the points, turn off Snap to Grid, and hide the grid too to get a better view on the pattern itself. Time to save the pattern. It will become a pre-file. This is the source format of pre-designstudio. If you want to change the pattern later, you have to open this pre-file. To use the pattern for quilting or embroidery, you have to export it. These export functions are used for embroidery digitizing software. And this export function lets you save the pattern in various quilt formats for long arm systems. These are the available formats. In this example, I'm using it for the CompuQuilter system. Then click on Save and enter a copyright note if you wish. Then click on OK. In the next video you will see how exported files are used.